The most exciting thing about NXT Lab is that all the teams from the AI team, tech team, design teams all get together and collaborate closely in the NXT Lab.
We have data scientists, designers, PhDs, the best of the best. And this is the right home for those people as well.
Provide different kind of perspectives on the different types of
NXT Lab is a place for CCC, us, and our customers innovate together.
The history of data that we have and whatever we are getting right now really help us to develop very unique models that can predict whatever the customer needs.
We have lots of time wasted in the insurance industry for people waiting for their checks so that they can purchase a new vehicle, or waiting for their rental car, they get their car back. Just getting that all automated so that way it can happen, in a day or two is something really big. Having that in automation would really help benefit all of us.
The first version of auto photo capture came out, I think, within 1 week of us moving to the NXT Lab to work with a different team. And it was just a question of, two people thinking about the same problem in different ways. And that's kind of created this, the magic.
This is really about working together, collaborating. You'll fail sometimes, you'll succeed sometimes, but really you push forward and you take these best ideas and turn them into something that we can use as soon as possible.
NXT Lab is where we innovate the future.
The future. The future.
Future.
The future.
Future.
It's all about what's next at CCC.